Stop by and take a look at the 2008 Sorento. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.3-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power mirrors, intermittent wipers, luggage rack, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, dual airbags, vanity mirrors, adjustable headrests, auto express down window, beverage holders. Come see the car for yourself.